Hi everybody, my name is Karine and today I will show you how you can use the website Legis Quebec. It is a website that belongs to the government of Quebec and it is kind of a section of the Quebec publication website. On Legis Quebec, we find all the laws and regulations that are applicable by the government of Quebec. I am currently at my second year studying paralegal technology at ANSIC College. It is a program that forms you to become the second hand of a lawyer or a notary. We are studying certain laws, including the Civil Code of Quebec and the Criminal Code. We learn to do research in the legal field, and we also learn the judicial process, and many other things. After university, I would like to be a crown prosecutor and work at the courthouse. This website is very useful for me, especially when I forgot my codes, because it allows me to have a quick access to applicable laws from anywhere and for free. So, when you want to open the website, you just have to type the URL in the address bar at the top of the screen, which is legisquebec.gov.qc.ca, and you click on the English button. When you are on the website page, you will see in the top left corner of the screen that there is a logo of Publication of Quebec. At the top of the screen, there is also the navigation menu, which gives you information that allows you to contact the website, to go on the home, and which enlightens you on some different terms of the website. So, if you click on the Fact button, you will see that the website defines what are consolidated statutes and annual statutes. It also says when the website is updated and more information. Under the navigation menu, there's the logo of Legis Quebec. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the search bar. For me, it is the most useful tool because it is quite easy and really quick to search the law you want with that. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's many buttons that you can click on, but honestly, I've never used any of them except for consolidated statutes and annual statutes. Okay, so let's find the Civil Code of Quebec so I can show you more about this website. The Civil Code of Quebec is a consolidated statute. If you're not sure about it, you can click on the Fact button that I talked to you about and go read the definitions. So, if I click on the Consolidated Statutes button, you will see in the middle of the screen that there's all the letters from the alphabets. You click on the first letters of your law or regulation. In this case, it's a C. So I click on the C button, and there it is. I just have to click on the link of the Civil Code of Quebec, and it brings me to all the articles. What I like the most about using the Civil Code of Quebec online is that I can do Ctrl F and search the word I want. So if I want to talk about succession, I just write the word and it gives me all the articles that talks about succession. So I can just click on the little button there and it is really easy. If you click on the little clock right there, you can see all the historic of the article. This hasn't changed. I'm just trying to find an article that has changed. Okay, this should help. Okay, so I can see like when it was updated and the previous text. So if I click on the show full text at this date, it will give me the previous text, so I can like look at the change who was made. It is really important because some judge will like tells you about an article, but sometimes the article has changed during time because every years the Civil Code of Quebec and all the laws are updated. So I hope I help you understand more the website and that you will use it more often because it is really useful for me and it is a really great way to save the environment and to save money. Thank you, have a nice day.